unboxing review of Logitech M240 Silent Touch Bluetooth Mouse. I'm here with the Logitech M240 Silent Touch Bluetooth Mouse. As you can see here, it says that the battery of this mouse will last for 18 months. It says and it's an 18-month battery life. It also says that it's a silent touch mouse. So hopefully when you click the mouse, you wouldn't face any sound of the click. The color of this mouse is graphite, and the MRP given here is 1595, but I have bought this product from Amazon for 1295 inclusive of taxes. So let's go ahead and unbox this. The instructions are given here. It should work on Mac, Windows. It claims for less noise, more focus with silent clicking. So we will test that also. It has a pre-installed battery. The battery is of alkaline. It supports AA battery. If you can see here, it supports a AA battery. The interesting fact here is that it says based on an 8-hour daily office use. Battery life may vary based on user and computing conditions. So basically from this you can figure out that this mouse is not for any gaming purpose. It is for normal office use. The scroll looks smooth. Now I will just shut up and let you hear the noise of this click. Okay, so we clearly don't hear any noise of the click. So here, this is the power on button of the mouse. As you can see, there is no device here inside because it's not a wireless mouse, it's a Bluetooth mouse. So you don't need any receiver device to connect to your laptop or your desktop. You simply need to just switch on your Bluetooth and just start with your work. So as it has claimed a no noise feature of this mouse, yet it works fine, and 18 months battery life, we will let you know about that. We have seen the power on power off button. The scroll is also quite smooth. The scroll also has no noise. It also gives you a 1-year limited hardware warranty. So if you face any difficulties with the device within a year's time, then you can definitely get a replacement for this device. If you have really liked the content that we share, then please do like and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updates.